Hi friends, in today's video, I'll show you how Windows is quietly holding back up to 10 GB of your SSD by default. And I will show you how to reclaim it. If you are rocking a PC with smaller SSD, you will likely want to squeeze every bit storage out of it. And it turns out that Windows reserves around 10 GB of your system drive for updates, temp files, and caches on a 500 GB SSD. So when it is considered about the C drive, it's a meaningful amount of space. So where is the Windows reserved storage located? And why Microsoft claims a slice of your drive? I'll tell you about that right now. It holds space for Windows update staging, temp files, cache, and other optional features. It is enabled by default on clean installs. Now how to locate and find how much space Microsoft is using on your computer. For that, you have to go to this location. Just click on Start. From there, go to the Settings. And from here, go to the Systems. And then from here, go to Storage. And you will be able to see an option named as System and Reserved. You will be able to see that only if you click on Show More Categories. So click on Show More Categories. From here you can see that there is an option known as System and Reserved. Now just open the System and Reserved feature. And here if you scroll down, you will be able to see that the reserved storage of this particular system is of 8.15 GB. I don't mind getting this 8.5 GB reserved for my Windows internal purpose. But those who having a limited amount of SSD space, for example, if you have only 250 GB of space, then in that case you will have to squeeze every bit of space out of it. Now I will show you how to disable and reclaim this space. You can do it in a one-line command. That's all it takes. For that you have to go to the Start. From there, go to the command prompt. Just open the command prompt, cmd, and run it as an administrator. Now you have to execute the following command and just click on Enter. If you get an error message like this operation is not supported when reserved storage is in use. Please wait for any servicing operation to complete and then try again. It is because you have some files which relate to the reserved storage is working. In that case, you can do a restart, a fresh restart, and try again. And also, if the updates are pending and not at install, that means the Windows updates are pending and not at install, you might get this error. So make sure that you install all the update first, then try again. If this doesn't work, you have a second method, that is directly you can go to the registry editor and can do it from there. In that case, you have to open the registry editor. From the Start, just go and type in regedit. But before doing any changes with the registry editor, make sure that you are familiar with the registry editor or you will be messing up the system files. So from here, once you are inside the registry editor, go to this location. Here you can see a folder named ReserveManager. Now on the right side, you will see an option that is Shipped with Reserves. Just double click on it and change the value to 0. That's it. And click on OK. Now anytime if you want to bring it back, just go to the same location, double click on it and change the value to 1. That's it. Now if you want to check if it is enabled or disabled, then there is a method. You have to go to the command prompt, cmd, run it as an administrator. Now you have to run this command. Just go and check the status. Just click on Enter. You can see that the reserved storage is enabled. Now once it is disabled and saved, restart and you can check it again. Now you have to restart your system and you will find that this allocated space is 0. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.